What if the real reason most of us fail at losing weight is because we try to change everything at once? A new diet, new workout plan, new schedule, new identity. And then 3 weeks later, we're exhausted. So far, I've lost over 40 pounds. In a moment, I'll tell you what I changed first, and just as importantly, what I didn't change. Good morning and welcome to Sun Up and Slimming Down. I'm Mike Mustaine. This channel is about real life change, not extreme makeovers, not overnight transformations, but steady, sustainable decisions that help us feel better, move better, and live longer. If you've been following along, you know this journey started when my knees hurt. My clothes didn't fit and I was holding my breath just to tie my shoes. That was my moment of determination. Before we go any further though, I want to say this very clearly. I'm not a doctor and I'm not giving medical advice. I'm simply sharing my personal experience. You should always consult your physician or your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, your exercise, or your health routine. Now, let's talk about what I changed first and what I didn't. First, I did not join a gym on day one. Maybe I could have or should have. I did not buy fancy equipment. I did not empty my entire pantry overnight. The first thing I changed was my carbohydrate intake. Not zero carb, not extreme keto, just low carb, measured carbs. I cut out bread, I cut out pasta, I avoided refined carbohydrates. I changed my snacks and I stopped drinking my calories. That was it. I didn't count every macro, I didn't obsess, I simply made one simple shift. And you know what happened? The inflammation eased. The cravings calmed. The scale began moving and my blood lipids improved. Not dramatically at first, but consistently. And consistency is what I was after. Here's something I've learned the hard way. If your plan doesn't fit your life, it generally won't last. I still eat with family. We still go out to eat frequently. I'm still living life. I just make better choices within that life. If we think we have to become a completely different person overnight, we set ourselves up to fail. I didn't become a gym rat. I didn't try to train like I was 25 again. I simply asked, what is one decision I can make today that moves me forward? And then I repeated it the next day. Simple beats dramatic. If this video is resonating with you, I'd appreciate it if you would share this video with someone you know. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. It helps this message reach others who may be standing exactly where I was. Knowing something needs to change, but not knowing where to start. Also in the comments, I'd love to hear what's one thing you've changed or one thing you're struggling to change. We learn from each other here on this channel. Next, let's talk about perfection. Perfection is the enemy of consistency. If I slip up one meal and think, well, I blew it, then I'm likely to blow the whole week and just give up. But if I think that was just one meal, I get right back on track and the damage stops there. You see, intensity burns hot, simplicity burns long. I wasn't trying to be perfect, I was trying to be repeatable, consistent, and determined. You know, the body doesn't respond to one perfect day, it responds to steady patterns. And patterns are built with simple decisions we can repeat over and over. When I look back at the beginning of this journey, I'm glad I didn't try to change everything at once. That would have overwhelmed me. Instead, I changed one thing first. I built momentum, and momentum builds confidence. And confidence makes the next change easier. If you're at the beginning of your own journey, don't ask, how do I fix everything? Rather ask, what's my first shift? Maybe it's cutting sugary drinks. Maybe it's walking 10 minutes a day. Maybe it's simply not eating after 8 p.m. Simplicity beats intensity every time. Again, if this video has encouraged you, please like and subscribe so we can keep building this community together. If you will, share it with someone who also is struggling. In the comments, if you'd like, please share what's your first change? What's been the hardest change for you? And what small win are you most proud of? Remember, small wins matter. We're not chasing perfection, we're chasing progress. And every morning, when the sun comes up, we get another chance to do one simple thing better than yesterday. Hey, thanks for being part of Sun Up and Slimming Down. I'll see you next time. Until then, take care.